hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying videos and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. I started the best online earning website series and I suggest 10 sites or app that's very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel, watch the video till the end for whole information. This is the 8th website of earning online which I can suggest. If you first time see this video, please see the whole video of these series, link in I button. I can suggest 10 website online money making app series, so subscribe my channel. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is the Testing Time site? It is an online client testing site that involves you searching for bugs, exploring through destinations, and different issues that may happen on the testing sites. Book your test clients on the web. Please watch the video till the end for the whole information and don't forget to subscribe my channel. How does it work? 1. Sign up as a paid test individual. Disclose to us somewhat about you. Thusly, we can send you tests that fit your profile best. It takes under 3 minutes. Normally, your data will be utilized for coordinating purposes, as it were. 2. Apply for a test. On the off chance that your profile is a fit for an investigation, you'll get an email greeting. Answer a couple of more inquiries and pick a time allotment that accommodates your timetable. Chances to partake will be granted on a first-come, first-served premise. 3. Test and get paid. At the concurred date and time, partake in the guided convenience test, either with the customer face-to-face or through Skype. When finished, you will get paid within 10 days. How to begin? 1. Test client enlisting administration. Notwithstanding standard models, age, sexual orientation, language, a spot of living arrangement, gadget aptitudes, and so forth, we can enroll test clients with the same number of exceptional rules as you wish. For example, must claim a vehicle. 2. Icon, briefing the test clients. Preparation. We are rapidly concise with our test clients about client research all in all. This will assist you with benefiting from your booked time. 3. Schedule test client arrangements. Booking. We facilitate arrangements among you and the members. We guarantee individuals appear at the concurred date, time, and area. If there should be an occurrence of a flake-out, we attempt to discover a substitution, however can't promise it. On the off chance that we neglect to convey a substitution, we won't charge you anything for that individual. 4. Icon, pay the test clients. Installment. We handle the installation of the members. The cash is wired straightforwardly to their bank or PayPal accounts. There are no additional charges for you. 5. Icon, tacking the test clients. Following. We track each test client to ensure they don't become proficient analyzers and don't get booked with a similar client twice. How can you earn? For you to take a generous measure of cash, you should invest some extensive energy stepping through the examinations. Notwithstanding, the number of tests offered by Testing Time might be the restricting element to wealth. Despite the fact that different firms may be offering something sensible, the cash is justified, despite all the trouble contrasted with that you get from review destinations. I hope you are enjoying the video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and share the video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.